लोग कहते हैं जोया अख्तर सिर्फ अमीरों की कहानियां सुनाती है। रियलिटी ये है कि हर सिनेमा प्रूव्स दैट प्रिविलेज डजंट इरेज पेन, इट कॉम्प्लिकेट्स इट। चाहे वो स्पेन की सड़कें हो या धारावी की गलियां, हर लेंस इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर द सेम थिंग, द फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन आवर स्टेटस एंड आवर सोल। आज हम जोया अख्तर के डायरेक्शन स्टाइल को डिकोड करेंगे और समझेंगे हाउ शी टर्न्स लग्जरी इनटू अ केज एंड अ स्लम into a stage. This is Blue Dog. Let's talk cinema. Welcome back. जोया अख्तर की सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो सिर्फ सीन डायरेक्ट नहीं करती, she builds relationships within them. वो कभी एक प्रोटैगनिस्ट पर रिलाई नहीं करती. Her films function as ecosystems. In दिल धड़कने दो, the cruise ship acts as a pressure cooker. कैरेक्टर अक्सर एक दूसरे से दूर खड़े होते हैं इन ग्रैंड रूम्स, सिंबलाइजिंग देयर इमोशनल डिस्टेंस डिस्पाइट बीइंग फैमिली। जोया डायलॉग से ज्यादा शेयर्ड ग्लैंसेस यूज करती है। हर कैरेक्टर को अपना आर्क मिलता है which acts as a tool to make the world feel inhabited and real. Her staging often defines the hierarchy within a group without a single word being spoken. Zoya is a master of ensemble dynamic.
To truly understand Zoya's ensemble work, you have to look at how she writes female dynamics. In most Indian cinema, women are either rivals or background support. But Zoya subverts this. She doesn't write women as perfect saints, she writes them as ambitious, flawed, and deeply protective of their autonomy. Her characters aren't just reacting to men. They are navigating systemic structures, whether that's patriarchal expectations in a rich Delhi family or survival in Bollywood's casting couch network.
Zoya के लिए सेट सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, they are an extension of the character's internal world. In Made in Heaven, the luxury is suffocating. High-end production design यहाँ pretense का tool है. Every polished floor reflects a secret. जब वो गली बॉय में आती है, her realism is curated. Every frame feels raw, but it's carefully designed. From the dampness on the wall to the blue-tinted plastic sheets, it's a globally legible visual language applied to a local context.
Notice how Zoya uses reflections and windows as recurring visual motifs. In one film, reflections are everywhere, constantly forcing characters to confront carefully crafted versions of themselves and perform for society. But in another film, the visual language changes. Windows become the dominant motif. Small barred windows frame the main character as he looks toward the open sky. The focus shifts from self-image to aspiration. In her movies, production design isn't just about aesthetics. It quietly becomes the invisible boundary between a character's present reality and the life they're dreaming of.
उनका color palette हमेशा deliberate होता है. Even in chaos, there is a visual consistency that makes her films feel cohesive and modern. She directs how characters inhabit space, physically and emotionally. Zoya Akhtar की films में एक literary soul होती है, largely through the externalization of the inner voice. Through Javed Akhtar's poetry in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, she externalizes the characters' silent realizations. It adds a layer of philosophy to what could have been just another road trip movie. In Zoya's cinema, music isn't decoration, it's identity. In Gully Boy, rap becomes the literal voice of the voiceless. In ZNMD, songs like Khabo Ke Parinde act as narrative extensions of emotional release.
You can't talk about Zoya's poetic voice without talking about the creative influence of her own family. Growing up in a home deeply rooted in literature and poetry, poetic expression isn't just a stylistic choice in her films. It's part of her storytelling DNA. In Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, a series of poems serves as the character's subconscious. They give a voice to emotions the characters are unable to express to one another. That simple creative choice transforms what could have been just another glossy road trip film into something with genuine literary depth.
Her gaze humanizes men instead of glorifying them. Her heroes are allowed to be vulnerable. They are allowed to cry and they are allowed to be scared. She captures the strength in vulnerability, moving away from traditional melodrama. Zoya Akhtar's cinema is globally legible in form but deeply desi in content. उनकी फिल्म्स की एडिटिंग क्रिस्प होती है, Songs are used as narrative extensions, not interruptions. It feels subtle, almost like European indie cinema. पर उनके themes हमेशा Indian हैं. Family pressure, the obsession with लोग क्या कहेंगे, and the struggle between tradition and modernity. She bridges the gap between South Bombay and the rest of the country by focusing on universal emotions, fear of failure, the need for love, and the search for freedom. She is the director of New India, modern on the outside but still negotiating with the roots.
Now, Zoya hasn't been without her fair share of criticism. Critics often point to films like The Archies, Dil Dhadakne Do, and label her work as privilege porn, stories made by the privileged for the privileged. And while that criticism has some merit when it comes to representation, it also overlooks her central obsession as a filmmaker. Zoya isn't glorifying wealth. She's examining the anxiety that comes with class and identity, whether it's a young rapper trying to escape the neighborhood he grew up in, or a wealthy businessman trying to break free from his family's expectations. Her stories are always about people who want to cross the boundaries they were born into.
So what's the verdict? Zoya Akhtar is the master of space. How we inhabit our homes, our families, and our bodies. She interrogates the cage. Her cinema proves that every class has its own limitations and every human has the same need to break free. हर बार जब आप उनकी फिल्म देखते हैं, ask yourself, is this character running away from their status or are they finally running toward their truth? आपके लिए ज़ोया अख्तर की बेस्ट फिल्म कौन सी है? The soul searching of जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, The grit of Gully Boy, या The complexity of Made in Heaven? Let me know in the comments below. Because cinema तभी जिंदा होता है जब हर फ्रेम हमें हमारे बारे में कुछ बताए. Subscribe to Blue Dog. हम सिनेमा के इन invisible layers को decode करते रहेंगे. Stay cinematic, stay grounded.
Thanks for watching Blue Dog. Subscribe for more cinema breakdowns, filmmaking insights, and stories from behind the scenes. See you soon.